Hi Shashi, wish you a very very happy birthday and many more to come, and lots of happiness, contentment, joy, and good progress on the spiritual path that you have chosen. I do hope that you start your meditation seriously from this birthday onwards. I have always admired your level of confidence as far as Gyan is concerned. And I remember very interesting and lively chats we have had in Inder Kutir in Haridwar. God bless.
Hi Shashi, happy birthday, many more to follow. I distinctly remember years back when you'd be sitting at Ma's feet and singing those beautiful bhajans. I think the next time we have a book club meeting, you must sing a bhajan for us. And may God bless you and look after you, keep you safe and happy. Lots and lots of love.
My dearest Shashi, Raksha, amongst her many gifts to me, has shared her beautiful universe of friends, and I remain extremely grateful to have you a part of my life. I wish you a very happy birthday, filled with love, happiness, and supreme well-being today and ahead. I still remember the first time I walked into class and the warmth and love you greeted me with. I felt I had known you forever. And I know it is this warmth that you exuberate keeps your universe looking for you, for your time, your attention, and your care. And I pray to the Lord that He keeps this protected always. We've shared some very special notes on our journey with Ayurveda and Vaidyagrama. I wish you on your special day the gift of Kaya Kalp, and may your inherent healing powers, your intelligence, your wisdom stay claimed, and may you embark on this journey further and further, and every cell of your body keep your mind and your body in supreme harmony always. I pray that your love for life continues and you maintain supreme balance in every aspect of your mind, body, and soul. I wish you all my love. I wish you all the best, and may you have a beautiful year ahead. Love you lots, Natasha.
Hi Shashi, wishing you a fantastic, wonderful, happy, healthy year ahead and a very happy birthday with lots of blessings. I would like to give to you something which is written at the end of Sutra 2.45. The three, tapas, swadhyay and Ishwar pranidhan, go hand in hand and together breathe life into all the other limbs of yoga. So, and this is what I want to give to you, a balance between all the three, between tapas, swadhyay and Ishwar pranidhan. You tend to dissect yourself overly. There, Ishwar pranidhan will help. And you do enough tapa, so that is great. And if you have a great balance between the three, I mean, you're soaring, and then you'll go to great heights and take us along with you. So wishing you every happiness, every health, everything beautiful and good. Love you.
My dearest Shashi, the happiest of birthdays to you. Truly, happy, healthy birthday. When it was decided that we were going to gift one of the yamas or niyamas to you, since we are at this point of the sutras, I knew very clearly that I wanted to gift you Sutra 2.42 on Santosh. Such a beautiful word, contentment. And that's what I truly, from the bottom of my heart, wish for you. May you find your heart's desires coming your way. May you find your troubles just melting away. And may you find deep peace and contentment within you. We've been together for so many years, Shashi. We've been to school together, we've been to college together, and here we are on this beautiful journey. And I wish you every happiness and joy. Happy birthday. Lots of love.
Hi, Shash. A very happy birthday. You're one of the most special souls, and you've been in my life for over 2 decades, and I'm really grateful for you. And it's your special day, and I hope it's a super special year. And we decided to do this gift for you, where we're all gifting you a yama or a niyama from the sutras, because that's where we are in our study. So I'm gifting to you Sutra 237, which is on aparigraha, and it says, with firmness in non-possession comes complete understanding of the whyness of birth. Aparigraha unravels the mystery of birth. So it's not about giving up anything at all, but it's about transforming our dependency on our possessions, including the mental possessions, which is all the responsibilities and duties we take on, which we must continue to do gracefully and beautifully. But the mental possessions regarding that, so may the divine free you from those mental possessions and enable you to gracefully keep doing all that you so beautifully have always done ever since I've known you, for your extended family. And may you keep serving out of a bhavna of surrender and non-possessiveness of what you feel should be happening in their lives. And
hey Shash, wishing you a really happy birthday. Knowing you since we were schoolgirls, I can truthfully say that I've seen you change from the caterpillar to the butterfly stage. You've developed so much Satya and are really good at recognizing and accepting where you need to work on yourself, and then you do it. So there's this amazing trajectory, your evolution, and I'm so happy and so privileged to have seen it. Keep shining. Love you loads.
ओम नमः शिवाय। शशि जी, आज आपके जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मेरी तरफ से ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। मैं आपको क्या कुछ बताऊंगा कि संतोष करें या ये नियम का पालन करें या वो नियम का पालन करें, क्योंकि मैंने आपको करीब से कुछ दिन अवश्य देखा है। आप ऑलरेडी साधना में अपने संलीन हैं और मेरे हिसाब से आपकी साधना और डीपर जाए, प्रभु से यही हाथ जोड़ के विनती रहेगी। लेकिन तब भी मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूँगा कि हम सारी साधना करते हैं, लेकिन संतोष एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे थोड़ा सा कमी महसूस करते हैं, और कहा भी गया है कि संतोषम परम सुखम। सो मेरे लिए आपके प्रति यही प्रभु से प्रेर रहेगी कि आप जो भी कुछ करें जीवन में, साधना या फिर सांसारिक जीवन या व्यक्तिगत आपके जीवन के लिए, उसमें आपका भाव अंत में संतोष ही रहे, क्योंकि जहाँ संतोष है वहीं सुख है। और आई थिंक उसी सुख की तलाश में, उसी आनंद की तलाश में हम सभी लोग अग्रसर हैं अपने अपने जीवन में। जितना हमको सुख बाहर चाहिए उतना ही सुख हमें अंदर से भी चाहिए, तभी संतोष का इक्वल मूल्यांकन हो पाता है। सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। आपकी सिंपलिसिटी मेरे को बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड वो मैं भी अपने जीवन में उतारने की जरूर से जरूर कोशिश करता रहता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, एंड एक बार और आपको आपके जन्म दिवस के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hi Shashi, wishing you a very happy birthday. I'm so happy we reconnected again on this group. I still remember the first time we met at Raksha's, which was well over a decade ago, and time really flies. I love the interactions that we have, and I wanted to tell you that your quietness and your steadfastness adds a really lovely quality to our group, and I cherish that. I hope you have a fabulous day, And I hope you have a year that's filled with joy, with wonder, with grace as we continue to walk this very special path together. Wishing you lots and lots of good things always, and hope that we get to see you in person soon so that we can all celebrate in person as well. Lots of love, Shashi.
Hi Shashi, here is wishing you a very, very happy birthday. The one thing I want to say is that whenever I think of you, I think with the fondest memories of the time when we were together in Khajuraho as roommates, all the long discussions we used to have. But the one thing that always struck me was the absolute love that you have in your heart all the time, and the intuitive wisdom with which you see life. For your birthday, I think what I'd like to give you is the entire bouquet of the yamas and niyamas, because I genuinely feel that with the kind of intuitive wisdom you have, your heart will open up to the yama or the niyama that will benefit you the most. So I hope that that particular yama, niyama, whatever it be that you need at this point in your journey, unfolds for you beautifully this year. So love you loads and have a great year. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Shashidi, wish you a very, very happy birthday. May you continue to soar higher and higher on this spiritual path on which we are together. I always think of you as a person who has this infectious smile, and I earnestly pray that this infectious smile continues to grow. I would like to dedicate Sutra 2.33 to you, which is Ishwar Pranidhana. I think it's an extremely powerful tool that works in absolutely every situation. A practice of this tool can help us pass through everything, I think. All the best. Love you loads and wish you many, many more. Bye.